Hello, sir. I am Jia. I have taken my system for the case study as a single order low pass filter, and I have modeled the system and found its transfer function using Laplace transform and analyzed the system's output for various inputs. So, this is my case. And for some background knowledge, models are basically a mathematical description of a real world problem. They are simplified using some assumptions, ignoring some nonlinear effects. So, models are generally partial differential equations or exponential equations, which are very hard to solve. Therefore, we use Laplace transform to convert them into a form which is much easier to solve. They are then converted into simple algebraic linear equations, which we can solve easily. Now, transfer functions are defined as the Laplace transform of the output variable divided by the Laplace transform of the input variable with zero initial conditions. So, given a transfer function of a system and input, in theory, we can find its output signal. Now, for a low pass filter is a filter basically that passes signals with a frequency lower than a selected cutoff frequency and attenuates signals with frequency higher than the cutoff frequency. So, a low pass circuit, low pass of a circuit for a low pass filter can be seen here. So for finding the transfer function and for modeling the system, for we I have converted into a block diagram where z is equals to just 1 by c into s, and here all of the current and voltages are in s domain. Now I have taken three loops and I have written the equations. For finding the transfer function, we just need to find V3s upon V1s. So by calculating, the transfer function comes out to be 1 over 2 plus 3 RCS. Now I have given, as I've mentioned before, given an input and a transfer function, we can find its output signal. So I have taken some of the random inputs like a unit step function. So I've taken its Laplace transform, which is just 1 by s. And then I've for out finding the output signal, I've multiplied it with the transfer function. Similarly, I've taken one more input and done the same thing. So likewise, we can do this for any kind of input. Hence, a low pass filter system was modeled and its transfer function was found. Thank you.